how to cancel YNAB subscription step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, get into ynab.com, or you can get the application version of it. Either way, all you need to do is make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after making sure that you are logged into your account, what you can actually do is simply, you'll of course get into the dashboard of your account. Then from there, what you can actually do is simply go to your account settings, right? From your dashboard, you can go to your account settings, then click on the budget name on the top left corner that you'll be able to see, and then from there you can select the account settings. So after selecting the account settings, you can now manage your subscription. What you're going to do is simply scroll all the way down into the subscription details, and then you can see the option of cancel subscription. All you need to do is simply tap on cancel subscription. Then from there you can simply confirm your cancellation. You can follow all of the prompt to maintain the access until the end of your prepaid period, and just like that you'll be able to cancel your YNAB subscription step by step. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.